Alrighty, we got the 1204 DK 1204 labels, as well as the label holder. Comes in 3 pieces, and I'm going to show you how to assemble. I'm going to point this side down so the flat side is up with the one tab facing you. Take the middle piece, find the hole there, see there like that, and slide it right on top of that little tab. If it doesn't go right on right away, just twist it, it'll find its spot. And then with this long side facing you, load the labels also facing you. Now locate the tab, should be on the bottom, the slit. We have the tab here, slide it right on there. Should hear it snap. There it goes. Should not be a gap on either side. And then go ahead and load it in. And there you have it. So quickly, I'm going to show you how to disassemble. Should only be necessary once you've ran out of labels. Go ahead and grab it like this. So you hold this plastic piece on all sides, and then just work this one out. As it starts coming out, I find that it's easier to work towards the bottom first and then go up and back. There it is.